So as you can see here, I'm watching a TikTok video. Now to share this video to my WhatsApp, I'm just tapping on share, and here share to select WhatsApp, and now just select a WhatsApp chat whom you want to share the video, and you can select multiple chats. Then tap on send and tap on send, and here as you can see the video successfully sent it to this chat, and the recipient will be able to easily play the TikTok video using this play button. And now let's see how to directly share a TikTok video to our WhatsApp story. So I'm going to opening my TikTok again, and now let's search for a video, maybe this video. I'm tapping on share and share to. Here you have to select WhatsApp status, and now just tap on my status, tap on send, and if you want you can crop the video from here, you can edit the video from here, and just tap on send, and here we can see the video is sending to my WhatsApp status. Once done, I'm going to opening my WhatsApp app, going to status, and here as you can see the video I've directly shared to my WhatsApp status.